Munster, Indiana, Ridge Road and Calumet. Lots and lots of trees down. Show the back. More trees, tons of trees, hundreds of trees. Everywhere you look, Munster, Indiana. I don't think we need to show you the other side of the street just as bad. Here's the other side of the street. There's another one. Munster by the Catholic and Lansing Cleaners. So that's Oakwood. There's 100 trees right down there. Holy crap, light poles. Side just almost as bad. Excavators, holy crap. Let's get out of Munster. I would think that would be a tornado. Look at Wicker Park, technically Highland, Ridge, and Indianapolis Boulevard. Wow. Never have I ever. Now we can't go past Prairie, which is right next to Indianapolis Boulevard for that stupid tree. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. A lot of people got a lot of work done. So to get back on Indianapolis Boulevard, some people are trying to go a little further down. We're just trying to hang out at a restaurant and get some power. You might be able to pass through there if you tried hard enough. People are panicking Highland on Indianapolis Boulevard and Hart Street. A lot of the pumps are out, so they have yellow on them.